Hey everyone, my name is Vinay and you're watching Edu Smart. Today I'm back with an exciting video. This is exciting at least for me. You know why? Because I've got a welcome gift from my company. So this is really exciting. But I wanted to share my joy with you all and I have spread it over here. I first unboxed it. What we will do is first see the unboxing video and then come here and see how is it. So this is this hardware equipment package. So let me open this and check it out. So what all are provided in this. So let me open it and see what is in it. Let me uncover this. So here is the stuff that you can see. What do you like in this? For me, that basket. Didn't you like that basket? I really liked it. And of course, the greeting card. That was a great surprise for me. Let me start with this pouch. What is in it? This pouch. This was beautifully covered. So there are some packets in it. So this is the coffee snatcher cap. This is olive tea. I have never tasted it, but for the sake of my company, I'll definitely taste it. So there were many packets inside this. You can see, right? I never tasted it, but I opened it. Let me show you. This was it. And then I got a headset. Of course, this is necessary for everyone these days. So I've got a headset as well. And yes. This one is mouse, of course the HP wired mouse. Yes, this was a cool one. And this. So this is the very exciting thing of my welcome gift. This is not just a greeting card, but here it is written a lot of stuff that really, it really heart-touching. Greetings from the IAM group. I'm sure that as parents, you remember your child's first day at school and the day of their graduation. Being a parent myself, I hold such memories dear to my heart. One of any parent's most remarkable experiences of satisfaction is when their child starts their career. And there is a lot of stuff written here, and I extend a huge thank you because of your sacrifices and devotion to your child. IAM Group has the privilege to onboard such a promising employee. Congratulations on this accomplishment. Best regards, Sanjay Chikara. So he is the director of our Indian company, and So you can understand for whom this greeting card was. This is not intended for me, but this is for dear Mr. and Mrs. Gopi. That means this is for my parents, right? My parents received this gift greeting card on behalf of my company. So this was very cool, and this is really heart touching. So this will be like a sweet memory for me forever. And then here comes a thing for me. So you can see, congratulations Jakula Vinay. And then I have the company name Ion, and I have this. Isn't this so cool? I really liked it. So I'm gonna use this from the next day. Yes, this was cool, and the thing was my name on it, really very nice colors. And then I have this chocolates, rich fills. I've got this them as well. I have already tasted it, was good, and this was. So there are in it many, and so this is the chocolate. Cool stuff for cool people. And this was the packet, everything was this in it. So this was the basket that I got. So all this stuff was in it. Not all, but the the cup, as well as the chocolates and all. So here comes my laptop. Yes. So this is my laptop, guys. This is Lenovo ThinkPad, and it is i7. This is i7 like this. This is i7, and I think it was 11th generation. And it also comes with 32 GB RAM. Apart from RAM, I've got 512 GB SSD. I'm already using this laptop, and this is really cool. It was 14-inch laptop, but I got used to it, and this was very much nice for me at least. So, and finally, this is the charger that I received. So this is the Lenovo bag that I have received from the company. Yes, you can know this is a general. So there is no logo written on it. I think this can be used everywhere. Like this is basically given to me, and there is no logo, but this is the this is something that you buy. It is not differentiated, anything like that. So that is about my gift. My chocolate, my coffee packets, and this one, the basket, and everything was really cool. Isn't this so nice? As everything, talking about welcome gifts, what excites is a person joins a company with a lot of thoughts in his mind, a lot of questions, lots of doubts, and all stuff. And I am one such student who joined and a new graduate, and this is my first ever employment. And getting such a cool goodies from the company, really great stuff. I really liked it, and I would like to thank the company and Sanjay sir especially, and someone like everyone who is part of the HR department, and for cool onboarding. This was really cool stuff, and this letter is really heart touching for our parents. Before onboarding, we also had a meeting with parents. That was something, not every company recognizes the efforts of your parents, but this company did. That was very cool stuff that I would say. And let me know if you wanted to know my experience, like the interview experience and all stuff of this company, in the comment section below, so that I'll make a video on it. And I also given my MTX interview, is able to clear it. You can ask for the interview experiences of my MTX as well as Ion in the comment section below, so that I'll be glad to make another video on this stuff. And one more thing is, I heard there is another package that I should get from the company, that was like a sports kit. That sounds cool, right? It's really interesting. You'll be getting some sort of t-shirts and something. That was another surprise. If I get it, I'll definitely make another video on that too. So that is all about this video, and if you like it, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll be back in another video very soon. Thank you.